Hello guys and welcome to Serge Zimaleta. In today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing for TONOR Studio Boom Arm. So guys, in this video I want to show you how to set up this microphone stand, your microphone, how to run your cables and everything, how to plug in your monitoring headphones, and how to actually connect all this to the computer, which I'm using this little device right here. So I really hope you guys like this video. The purpose of this video right here is to share this ideas with other creators like myself, because somebody out there maybe needs to make a better quality video, or somebody wants to do voiceovers, and somebody might want to just like sing or something. So for me, I'm going to be actually using this in my studio here to actually accept phone calls and doing voiceovers and lots of other interesting things. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Anyways guys, this is the place where I do most of my work from, including eBay and my YouTube channel. There is a couple other things that I'm doing, which is for another video. So let's check out, see what's included. So here's the boom arm that I'm getting right here by TONOR. Let's put this aside. Oh nice, it does come with a windscreen, which is definitely really important if you have an XLR microphone, because they catch everything. Oh wow, this is for an actual microphone. You could put on like one of these things. It's interesting that they include it. Not unnecessary, but it's nice that they have it. So what's inside of here? Alright, this looks like a mounting bracket, and immediately I know exactly where I could use it. Chances are I'm going to be mounting it over here somewhere. So I'm going to put that to the side for now. Here's the arm itself. We have a couple other pieces in this little compartment. Just going to put that in the box. So it looks like here's a microphone clip and another TONOR type of, there's like sort of like a Velcro type of strip. This could be a hoop and loop type of system. It says TONOR on them, which is going to be kind of good. And here's the arm itself. And it looks like we get 2-year warranty card from TONOR. Thank you, TONOR. This is actually pretty amazing. Alright, let's pull the arm out. So I guess once you open it up, it might like swing out. So okay, this is interesting. So here's the actual mounting point. You would mount it like this somewhere. Let's say I wanted to mount it right here. So I'm going to temporarily mount it right here, because you could actually see exactly kind of like what's going on. So if this would be the mounting point, which probably something I definitely would use, because you have different situations. If you want to like stand up and talk, you could do that. And I could also, I have other computers back here, so if I need to swing the arm over, I could do that. So let's see. So it looks like this just goes in here like that, which is kind of cool, and then this itself adjusts. So this actually might work. So I'm not really sure what this is. This might be for the microphone here. This little end piece. And what is this? So appears to me that there's several type of setups. So if you have a microphone that's used for singing and stuff, you could just plug it in over here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. Let's see if I could actually remove this. How would I want to mount it? Probably like this would be good. So now we're just going to add a washer, and we can go ahead and actually put this whole system together. What's nice is this thing is kind of like versatile. you could definitely have many different flexibilities and how you want to get it done. You could spin it like this. So I did add like a shock mount to mine. I could have added every which way, but because of the gravity, it naturally will want to swing down. Even though I could like lock it in like this, you know, it's gonna stay there. I thought it's going to be a pretty good mounting point for it. So we're going to now install this microphone, and this is the portion where you speak into, where the silver, where the gold round thing is. Oh, that's perfect. So it spun all the way around and it stopped right there. So I could actually just do it like this here. This is actually not bad. So if I'm sitting over here, like, you know, taking a call or something, and I'm talking to one of you guys, I could be actually kind of like, you know, like nicely just adjusting this anywhere that I want. And actually, this is kind of cool. So I could either adjust it up like that. Yeah, this is called a pop filter, guys. This one is actually by Rode, but I could actually use the provided pop filter for it. So I could actually install this anywhere on the body, or I could just install that on the table. I guess it's a matter of choosing where would you like to mount this thing. So let's see if I could actually mount it right here, kind of like. I am definitely very happy with the decision that I've made to actually get this TONOR boom arm. It's going to be perfect for my microphone. For a while I was looking for something that's actually going to work out really nicely with my Rode microphone, and this just does it for me. Guys, and now it's time for the Velcro strips, and you can see how they can be used. So basically, I'm going to take my XLR cable and I'm going to plug it into my microphone right here. And now basically I need a clean way for this wire to be basically down in here. So this is actually what I'm going to do. Like that, and it could like move around. So now we could just choose one more mounting point. But we have like 4 of these. There you go. So now if you're like lifting it up, it just moves up and down nicely. I definitely like exactly how this mic is set up. I could just do whatever I want. So I want to make sure that I leave enough room for this microphone to go up and down with the cable being there like this. So you could lift it up or down, and you could just record anything. So you could stand this thing right up like this, and it holds really nicely. So the rest of this cable, if you guys need to know where this plugs into, I'm going to actually show it to you guys. In case this is your first time setting something like this up, you will see exactly what does it take to actually connect this to your computer. There's many ways of doing it, but this is what I use. It's a Focusrite type of system. It's good for connecting your microphone, a guitar, and you know, some other stuff. This is only possible for plugging in just one single microphone. So basically you take this microphone piece and you plug it in right in here, and then you need to plug this into the computer. So we're gonna take this USB cable. This is the same as any type of printer uses. So if you don't have one, you just use your printer one. Plug this into the back, and then you could just like route this around and plug it in. Up. I don't want to have too many things plugged in. So I'm going to actually use like one of these TONOR cables to actually make my cable a little bit shorter and just not get in the way. So this is done, and it's ready. Like you turn it on like right here with this one button right here, and this is the monitor type of button right here. I know you're really not seeing this, but I could show you this in up close. The very last thing we need is a monitoring headphones. So actually I got myself some Moana monitoring headphones. These are stereo headphones. So basically we're going to go ahead and actually pull them out and plug them in. And we do have the cable that comes for them. So inside here we're gonna have perfect monitoring headphones. Look at that, man, they're nice and soft, really awesome. So there's a couple places to plug things into. Here's one over here and one over there, and let's see where there's the left and the right. Here's the right and here's the left. So just put it on like that and then you monitor. But for that to happen, you're gonna need to plug in a cable. So here's the cable for them, and one of the end of the cables will go into here like that, and another one it's gonna go into the actual headphone itself. So it's gonna be just like this. So anyways guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit a like. And if you want to pick up a TONOR boom arm yourself, I'm going to have a link in the description below, guys. Please check it out and tell me what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care of yourself and God bless you. Bye-bye. Hey kitty. My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter, Expedite, or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.